Hello, my name is Bart. Today I'm going to show you different techniques to produce ancient fire. One of the most ancient techniques to produce fire is with silex and marcasite. Marcasite is found on the cliffs of Dover, and silex is found on the same cliffs also in Denmark and Poland. Yes, what you do to produce sparks is you hit the silex on the marcasite like this. To create an ember to produce fire, you have to have something that the sparks can land on, like a pile of amadou. Now, for creating a pile of amadou, you have to have a tinder fungus, a Fomes fomentarius. This one is one collected from a birch tree. This one is collected from a poplar tree, but you can also find them on beech trees. Depending on the type of wood where you find it, the color can be different. To create a pile of cotton-like fluffy stuff, you have to get this. This is amadou. These are the tubes, the outer bark like wood, and this is amadou. What you do is you scrape it to create a pile of fluffy cotton. When I collect them, I put them in a plastic bag and I put them in the freezer for 3 weeks, because you don't want to have bugs inside your house. So you put it in the freezer for 3 weeks so all the bugs are dead. Then you take it out and you let it dry on something like a stove, somewhere where it's warm, and you let it dry till it's very dry. Now we can start creating fire. For a fire we have to have an ember. We strike the flint against the marcasite and we try to let the spark fall on the fluffy stuff. You place the ember in a bird's nest and you gently blow, not too close, and gentle. You see the smoke getting thicker and thicker. Till it's burst into flames. Watch. Now you have fire created by stones.